If you're on the lookout for a new pair of headphones that give you great sound, comfort, and situational awareness, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the Soundcore AeroFit 2 open-ear headphones, a game changer for anyone who wants to enjoy music or calls while staying connected to their surroundings. Whether you're running, biking, or just hanging out, these headphones aim to offer the perfect balance between performance and safety. So, let's break down what makes them stand out. Alright, so let's start with the unboxing. As usual, Soundcore has done a fantastic job with the packaging. Inside the box, you'll find the AeroFit 2 headphones, a charging case, and the usual paperwork, manuals, warranty info, and a quick start guide. Now these headphones look sleek right off the bat. The open-ear design is pretty unique, and as soon as I picked them up, I could tell that they were lightweight, the materials feel durable, and the case has a matte finish which resists smudges and looks great. Plus, it supports wireless charging, which is a nice touch for convenience. Let's talk design and comfort, because this is where the AeroFit 2 really shines. The most noticeable feature is the open-ear design. Instead of having those in-ear tips that you might be used to, these headphones sit comfortably on your ears without blocking them. The result? You can hear your surroundings, making these perfect for outdoor activities like running or cycling. Safety first, right? What's also great is they're incredibly lightweight. I wore them for hours at a time, and I didn't feel any discomfort or fatigue. So, whether you're at the gym, on a long walk, or just lounging around, these should stay comfortable for extended wear. The adjustable ear hooks are a huge bonus. There are 4 levels of adjustment, so no matter the size of your ears, you can easily find a secure fit. I have pretty large ears, and these headphones stayed in place, even during more intense activities. Now, I know some of you might be wondering if the open-ear design compromises sound quality. Well, stay tuned, because we'll get to that in just a bit, but for now, let's talk about the comfort. These earbuds don't push into your ear canal, so there's no discomfort over time. The design is also friendly for glasses wearers. No more awkward pressure on your frames, which is a huge relief. Alright, let's talk about sound quality, which is what really matters. Now, with the open-ear design, you might think that the sound would suffer, but that's not the case here. The AeroFit 2 delivers surprisingly rich and full sound, especially considering how open the design is. It features 20mm by 11.5mm racetrack drivers, which are bigger than most open-ear models you'll find on the market. This size allows for deep booming bass, while maintaining clear mids and highs, so you get a well-rounded audio experience. Whether you're listening to bass-heavy tracks or more complex genres, the sound doesn't disappoint. But wait, there's more. These headphones support high-res audio and the LDAC codec for Android devices, so you get that high-definition audio. This is perfect for those who love the fine details in their music, and it's a great feature for audiophiles who want something more than just your standard Bluetooth audio. Another standout feature is the bass turbo technology. This tech is designed to enhance the bass frequencies, giving you a more impactful low end. So if you love heavy bass or just want a fuller sound, the AeroFit 2 delivers that experience without sacrificing clarity. Now, one thing I really appreciate is the minimal sound leakage. I've tested these outdoors and in public spaces, and the sound leakage is pretty much non-existent, which is great for keeping your listening private and not disturbing others around you. Speaking of sound, the Soundcore app gives you a lot of customization options for the AeroFit 2. You can use the app to adjust the sound to your personal preference. There are several EQ presets, including the signature Soundcore sound, and even an 8-band custom equalizer. The app also supports 3D surround sound, which gives you an immersive experience similar to spatial audio. This is perfect for watching movies or just enhancing your music experience. You can really tweak the sound to fit your needs, and it's great to have that level of control at your fingertips. Moving on to battery life. The AeroFit 2 impresses with its longevity. On a single charge, you can get up to 10 hours of playback, which is perfect for a full day of use. But the real magic happens when you add the charging case into the mix. With this case, you can get a total of 42 hours of playtime. And if you're running low on battery, no worries. The fast charging feature is a lifesaver. In just 10 minutes, you can get an extra 4 hours of playtime, which is really impressive. Plus, the wireless charging support adds even more convenience, making it easy to top off the battery whenever needed. When it comes to call quality, the AeroFit 2 truly excels. These earbuds are equipped with 4 microphones and AI noise cancellation, ensuring that your calls are crystal clear even in noisy environments. I put them to the test during a loud commute, and I was blown away by how well they performed. The person on the other end of the call couldn't hear any road noise, wind, or background chatter, which made the conversation super clear. This is a game changer for anyone who regularly makes calls while commuting or in busy places. You'll get the best of both worlds, high-quality audio for your calls, and the ability to hear your surroundings, which is crucial for staying aware of your environment. Whether you're walking, running, or just on the go, the AeroFit 2 makes sure you can communicate clearly without missing a beat. Let's talk durability. The AeroFit 2 comes with an IP55 water resistance rating, meaning they are sweat-proof and can withstand light rain. This makes them a solid choice for anyone with an active lifestyle. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or even caught in a light drizzle, these headphones are designed to handle it all without skipping a beat. The water and sweat-resistant features ensure that you won't have to worry about damage, giving you peace of mind during those intense workouts or outdoor activities. The rugged build also means they'll survive a bit of wear and tear, making the AeroFit 2 a reliable companion no matter where life takes you. When it comes to connectivity, the AeroFit 2 doesn't disappoint. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.4, these earbuds provide a stable and fast connection with your devices. One of the standout features I really appreciate is how quickly they connect. The moment I popped them in, they paired instantly with my phone. There was no noticeable lag when switching between devices. This means you can seamlessly transition from listening to music on your laptop to taking a call on your phone without any hassle. Plus, the multi-point connectivity feature lets you connect to 2 devices at once, making it super convenient for multitaskers. Whether you're balancing work and play or simply switching between devices, the AeroFit 2 makes it smooth and effortless. The AeroFit 2 comes in 4 stylish colors: white, black, abyss blue, and mint green. Each color has a sleek, modern vibe, making them a great fit for any outfit or occasion. My personal favorite is the mint green version, which offers a refreshing and unique look that really stands out. Whether you prefer something more neutral or a pop of color, there's a shade to match your style. The design of these headphones is not only about your looks, but also ensures comfort and a secure fit, making them perfect for long listening sessions and active use. The Soundcore AeroFit 2 open-ear headphones are a fantastic option for anyone who wants great sound quality, comfort, and situational awareness. Whether you're using them for daily commuting, workouts, or long listening sessions, these headphones deliver on all fronts. The open-ear design is safe and comfortable, the sound is customizable, and the battery life is top-notch. Plus, the call quality and durability make them perfect for busy lifestyles. I highly recommend giving these a try, especially if you're looking for something that keeps you connected to your environment while still offering an immersive audio experience. And for the price, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Catch you in the next one.